Hey, I'm taking a quick break from my normal how-to videos, spending some time out here in my backyard, and I just wanted to talk about a milestone that we just hit. Now, I say we because without you, this would not have happened. This weekend, this YouTube channel passed 10,000 subscribers. I trust that if you're watching this video, then you're a subscriber, but if you could just check for me down below, if subscribe is in red or the little bell icon doesn't have that little ringy lines, then you need to start clicking. By the way, if you didn't know, you need to click on the bell to get notifications for every video from a YouTube channel now. Otherwise, it's just occasional notifications. Okay, so that was your how-to tip for YouTube creators today. Over the past few years, this channel has evolved a bit. It's always been about helping people use YouTube, but it's gotten more specific and it's going to continue down that path. My business focuses on helping professional coaches use online video, and YouTube in particular, to connect with more and more people who can benefit from their message. If you're a coach, then you know the value that you provide to your clients, but if you're not a coach and you've never been coached, this may seem like an odd specific niche for me. But I see coaching as a growth area in the next decade. Younger people are less into accumulating stuff and more about experiencing job and life satisfaction. And it's not just young people. If you look at a Tony Robbins event or see who's watching Marie Forleo, you'll see that adults get it too. Meaningful self-improvement and growth is one key to happiness. And focusing on working with coaches is part of my key to happiness. I gotta say, there's no better client than coaches when it comes to being great at communications, having a positive outlook, and providing constructive feedback. So as we move forward with this channel, you can expect more coach-specific videos. There will still be videos that apply to any YouTube creator, but what I promise is that coaches will get the maximum benefit. So if you're a coach or a hypnotist, consultant, healer, anyone that takes clients through a transformation in their lives, I want to revisit that subscribe button. Please be sure you're subscribed, and if you're not a coach, you're welcome to stick around too. There are some amazing people in this community. Do you know a coach? Share this with them, and I'll see you in the next video.